Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the layers of the soil and also about the soil erosion and the conservation. In the last class, we learned about the soil composition, types of soil, and about the soil formation. Before going to the lesson, I'll ask some question. Try to answer it. What do you mean by soil? Very good. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms that together support life. So it is also called as a skin of the earth. Soil is also called skin of the earth. When did the World Soil Day observed? When did the World Soil Day observed? The World Soil Day is observed on 5th December every year. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December every year. Third question. What are the basic components of soil? What are the basic components of the soil? The basic components of soil are minerals, organic matter, water, and air. Then we learned about the classification of the soil. How the soil is classified. What are the types of soil? Excellent. The soil are classified into alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, and desert soil. Now, layers of the soil. The layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil, and the parent rock. First of all, O, humus. This layer is dominated by organic materials, that is, leaves, needles, twigs, moss, and lichens. Next, topsoil. It is a part of topsoil composed of organic matter mixed with mineral matter. Topsoil is used in raised beds for growing many plants including vegetables. Topsoil helps the plant to grow better. This layer is significantly leached of clay, iron, and aluminium oxides, which leaves a concentration of ore. Then, subsoil. This layer reflects the chemical or physical alteration of parent material. Thus, iron, clay, aluminium, organic compounds are found accumulated in this horizon. Parent rock. It is partially weathered parent material accumulates in this layer. This layer consists of unweathered part of the bedrock. Soil erosion. You may studied in a lower class itself what is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion is a removal or destruction of top layer of soil by natural forces and human activities. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of the soil, which in turn reduces the agriculture productivity. Running water, wind are the major agents of the soil erosion. Next, soil conservation. Soil conservation is a process of protecting the soil from erosion. Soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. That is called as a soil conservation. The method that are widely practiced for conserving soil are afforestation. Afforestation means planting the trees, controlled grazing, construction of dams, crop rotation, strip farming, ploughing, terrace farming. What are the uses of soil? How the soil is used? Very good. Soil is one of the important natural resource. It is a basic requirement for the plant growth. Without the soil, plants are not able to grow and supports various life forms on the earth. It is used in making of ceramics or pottery. It is a source of material for construction and handicraft work. It acts as a natural filter of water and purifies it. Soil supports ecosystem and play an important role in the land management. So rock and soil are the important renewable natural resources. Both the rock and also the soil play an important role in everyday life of a human being as well as the economic development. Nowadays, rocks based companies are in increase, which provide employment to the sizable population. Soil attract human settlement and other economic activities. We know India is an agricultural country. The proper management of soil resource will lead to sustainable food production. Besides it, used for various other purposes. So soil resources must be conserved. Thank you, students.